Russell. Good morning, Dorothy. It's Giga Dada. Here I am at Crosswinds Cottage. Today I discovered that our neighbors had a tree service come to take down some of the trees in their yard, and I thought you might like to watch how they do it. Look, this is the big tree service truck. They have come to take down a neighbor's big tree. And look here, before they can drive the big truck on the lawn, they have to put all this heavy plywood down so the big truck can drive all the way back and not destroy the lawn. But this is a chipper truck. Turk Tree Service, it says. Can you read that? Turk Tree Service. And there's the big Vermeer chipper. They will put big pieces of wood into the chipper, and the chipper will blow the chips into the back of the truck. The worker is up in the boom truck, going up higher and cutting down branches. Look at him go. He has a chainsaw and he is cutting down the branches. He wraps a big strap around the tree. There's the big hook. And you put the strap on the hook. The boom truck will lift up the big piece and bring it down to the big chipper truck, and then they will chip it all up and blow it in the truck. It tight around the tree, connect it to the big hook on the big boom. Then he will go down and cut the tree below that.